An earthquake measuring 4.3 on the Richter scale hit near Uttar Pradesh's Ayodhya, the National Center of Seismology or NCS informed on Friday. According to the NCS, the earthquake occurred at 176 kilometers north-northeast of Ayodhya. The NCS tweeted, earthquake of magnitude 4.3 occurred on 6th of January of 2022 at 23:59 hours, latitude 28.14 and longitude of 83.14 at a depth of 15 kilometers, located 176 kilometers north-northeast of Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh. Meanwhile, there were no reports of loss to life or property yet from the authorities. The jolt of the quake was so severe that people rushed out of their homes in the middle of the night as the earth started shaking. People were so terrified of the event that it took them around 2 hours to go inside in their homes. In the year 2015, a massive earthquake jolted the city of Ayodhya and its neighboring areas, which resulted in the roof of the Kamakhya temple falling, and in Lucknow, a wall of a mosque fell, creating panic among the people.